Welcome to another MOBOTIX instructional video. We will demonstrate the Aircraft Identification Number app embedded in the MOBOTIX 7 series. In the camera, go to the Setup menu and open the App Settings. Scroll down to the Aircraft Identification Number app. Start the trial version if you have not activated this before. Scroll down once more and activate the app and hit Set. Again, scroll down and enter the configuration settings. Expand the windows by hitting the plus sign. Start with the working mode and leave this at free flow. Leave the check marks as they are. We will now create a recognition area as you have seen in all of our apps thus far. Go ahead and show the recognition area and then edit the area. Don't forget to hit the check mark in the upper right to confirm. Now we're going to continue with the whitelist and blacklist. If necessary, place numbers as you require. Choose the sensor that you will conduct the OCR readings, in this case the right sensor. Also, you can choose your desired resolution, and you can choose the min and max character heights depending on the camera location. Add the min-max characters you want to read. Here, we're going to change the number of characters that we'd like to read. Next, read the environment settings and apply any changes you deem appropriate, such as the delay time between readings and the slope angle the camera will be to the actual reading position. Under the OCR settings, you can regulate the confidence level and adjust the complexity of the numbers to be read. Under reporting, you can first determine how you want the reporting to be displayed. You can set how many retries and what and how the text is to be displayed. A template messaging syntax is already in the default settings. Then determine where you want the reports to be generated to, be it JSON, FTP, or whatever you desire. So go ahead and leave the info log option on and have the log file appear on the screen. Leave the same sensor to display the log. Hit Set and Close to save all the settings. Notice that the recognition area appeared. That completes the configuration. I thank you all for joining the tutorial. Until next time.